Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make a spicy mustard based Bengali cuisine fish recipe using the legendary Chital fish. This recipe is called Chital Maacher Jhol or Chital fish curry. Here I have 3 pieces of Chital fish, which is called clown fish in English. Chital fish is more readily available in Bangladesh than in West Bengal these days. Let's have a quick peek at the ingredients. I will be using 2 tablespoons of ginger paste and some slit green chilies, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, red chili and coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of yogurt or dahi, some black onion seeds or kalo jeera, 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard paste and 1 teaspoon of whole grain mustard paste. I am using ready-made mustard pastes from a jar. You can use either mustard powder or grind black and yellow mustard seeds with water to get the same kind of paste. I will also need mustard oil for this recipe. Let's heat mustard oil in a pan. Add the onion seeds after a minute or so. Stir the onion seeds or kalo jeera about. Then add the crushed ginger and chilies and fry them together for a minute. Make a solution of the 3 spices by adding a bit of water and pour it in. Give the pan a stir. And add salt according to your taste and mix it in. Then add the Chital fish pieces into the pan one by one, as I am doing here. Scoop some of the masala on top of the fishes like I am doing here. Give the pan a shake and let them gently sizzle away for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, carefully turn the fish over and simmer them gently in the masala for another 2 to 3 minutes. Maneuver the pan to make sure that you fry the skin on the sides of the fish a bit. You can see how I am doing it here. Mix the 2 mustard pastes with a little water and pour it into the pan. Add a bit of salt if required. Then add the dahi to the pan, but make sure you whip it a bit before adding it in. Mix the dahi or doi in. Add a bit more water into the pan. Bring it to a boil. Put the lid on and simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take the lid off and check to see if the fish is done. And it is. Let's plate up these beautiful Chital fish pieces. serve this delicious Bengali Chital fish curry with rice to experience the real taste of Amar Sonar Bangla on a plate. Chital Maacher Jhol is not as complicated a recipe as Chital Maacher Muitha, but is quite delicious and easy to make. If you are into serious Bengali cuisine, you need to give Chital fish a try. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Omnivore Indian, for more. Enjoy!